Just got a new HP printer? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to unbox and set it up the right way. Start by opening the box carefully.
Inside, you'll find the printer, power cable, ink cartridges, and setup guide.
Take out all the components and place them on a clean surface. Make sure nothing is left inside the box.
Remove all protective tapes and packaging materials from inside and outside the printer.
Now plug in the power cable and turn on the printer. Wait for it to initialize. Open the cartridge access door. Insert the ink cartridges into their correct slots until they click into place. Load plain paper into the tray and adjust the guides to fit the paper size. Use the printer display to connect to your Wi-Fi network using the setup wizard. Go to the official HP website and install the printer software. Follow the on-screen instructions. Complete the alignment process to ensure the best print quality. Finally, print a test page to confirm everything is working perfectly. And that's it! Your HP printer is ready to use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.